Morning, and it's a great day to come together. Today we celebrate something important, something personal, and something that every one of us needs to think about long before we ever need it, and especially in the environment we're in right now. I'm not going to get into the bad part of it, but we know that right now healthcare is something that is a very hot button topic, and it's something that's very, very important. And today is National Healthcare Decisions Day. This day reminds us that there may come a time when we cannot speak for ourselves, a time when decisions about our care need to be made, and the people around us need to know our wishes. Look, it's not about fear. It's not about preparation, or it's about preparation. It's about dignity. It's about making sure that your voice is heard, even when you cannot speak. We had a meeting with my two younger brothers and my parents, and we made family decisions when it came to my parents and what we were going to do with the home and their health care, and how we were going to make sure as a family that, one of us boys were going to take over the payments of the house so mom and dad could enjoy their later years, and they could, retire and stay in their home. And so I have taken on the mantle of taking care, and Adrian is the one who actually does a lot of the taking care of them. She is so good with them, and I'm so happy that she's here with me. I couldn't imagine other times in my life when we would have been able to do what we're doing. But Adrian has stepped up, and she has really made this, she's made this her family, and it's great to see, and wonderful to have an ally in such a way. National Healthcare Decisions Day encourages every patient, every caregiver, and every family to talk openly about the kind of care they want, the support they need, and the choices that matter the most. For my parents, it was being at home, making sure that they didn't have to retire in a home or in unfamiliar territory. Now, if there's a time when it just gets to be too much, we'll have to see what happens. But right now, even with a little bit of the health problems that we decide, we're still living up to this. We're going to be able to take care of a lot of things, but we're not experts. So when we make these decisions ahead of time, we protect ourselves. And more importantly, we protect the people who love us and we love. So our giving partner of the day is the pACT Health Sharing. Amen Jundoku. Okay, right here is his QR code. You can go and you can talk to him. He is part of the pACT Health Sharing program. So if you contact Amen, he can help you get health care, one, but also prepare for future, what's going to go on in your life, what you are expecting, what you need to have happen. So they are a community-driven approach to healthcare costs built on transparency. Boy, wouldn't that be nice right now. Fairness and a shared responsibility. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by traditional healthcare systems, and I know you have, or if you want to explore a more compassionate, community-centered option, pACT Healthcare Sharing is worth a look. You can learn more by scanning his QR code above. He is part of the Community Pay It Forward Giving Partners. So if you do business with Amen, you get to donate to a passion of yours, someone who's asked us for help and touches your heart. So our question of the day: have you ever talked with your family about your healthcare wishes? If not, what's the one thing that you want them to know? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your words might help someone else start an important conversation. If you haven't started this conversation yet, the words that you put in there, somebody may have a suggestion on how you can start the story. So, as we just mentioned, we had a talk with my parents about what to do. And I've never been shy with my sons on what my preference is. You know, I don't really have any want or need of burial. I take up enough space as being alive. I don't need to take up that much space when I'm gone. I plan on getting a urn made that really takes and speaks to who I am and speaks to, you know, my personality. I'm going to get an urn that just is etched that says "well pickled," and it's going to look like an old pickle jar. So, but the daily challenge is take 10 minutes of today to think about your healthcare wishes. Write down one thing that matters to you the most. Share it with someone you trust. A small step today can make a big difference tomorrow. Call on Amen and see how he can help. See what he can do to make this matter. So thank you for starting your morning with me. I actually do get to say morning because we're going to have this one out in the morning. Oh, the angels fly. Remember, if you're not helping someone, you're hurting everyone. No one needs to go it alone when we all come together. Folks, again, this is not a fun celebration, but it's an important celebration. This is probably the most important one that we've had so far because this really affects the futures and the happiness of people in the long run. So please love somebody out there because somebody out here loves you. Make sure that we're always taking care of each other and take care of yourself. We've got more to come tomorrow, and we have the Saturday show right now in the bucket. So there will be a Saturday show. I plan on recording the Sunday show today, so hopefully we'll have the Sunday show today, and we can keep this going because I'm truly enjoying this series. Please remember, you can always get a hold of me for my card or communitypayitforward.us. And of course, you can always email me at zach@communitypayitforward.us, zach@communitypayitforward.us. Right now, we are having a phone system issue, so do not try to call us because it will not be answered. So email is the only way that you can get a hold of us right now, zach@communitypayitforward.us. I am looking to switch carriers. I'm tired of absorbent cost. And so we're trying to make sure that we've got the best of all things. And, yeah, it is what it is. So call on Amen. Visit his page. See what you think. If you'd like to talk to him, if you'd like an introduction to him, simply reach out to me, Zach, Z-A-K, @communitypayitforward.us, Z-A-K, @communitypayitforward.us. Reach out to me and say, hey, Zach, can you introduce me to Amen? And I'll say, you betcha, I sure can. Hey, everybody, thank you so very much. Please remember, keep talking. The words that you say could be the key to someone's happiness. You never know. You may say something today that a person you don't even know is alive. It could change their life. So please, never shut up, because silence has never helped anyone. My name is Zach Clayton, Community Pay It Forward. Community, stop myself. Come Together Compass and the pACT Podcasting Networks. Please join us tonight at 8 p.m. East for Lynn's Day. Free tarot readings from 8 p.m. East until 9-ish, 9:30, whatever. If we have more, we'll go longer. So Lynn Sobolski from Footnotes Tarot is joining us, and she would love for you to come in and join us. You put your question in the chat, and she reads the cards for you, and you get a free psychic reading. Lynn Sobolski is also one of our wonderful, 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 wonderful community giving partners. So please check her out by scanning this code. So we'll see you tonight at 8 p.m. East with Lynn's Day. Once again, my name is Zach Clayton, Community Pay It Forward, the Come Together Compass, and the pACT Podcasting Networks.